Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. What I wish I knew at the start of my Kickstarter journey instead of learning the hard way. Starting a Kickstarter campaign in 2025 is a powerful way to raise funds and build a community around your idea. Here's a step-by-step guide for beginners. Kickstarter is a crowdfunding platform where creators raise money for their projects through pledges. You must, offer a clear, tangible product or creative project. Set a funding goal and a deadline. And it's a good idea to offer reward tiers to backers. Those are optional, but definitely recommended. Kickstarter uses an all-or-nothing funding model. If you don't meet your goal, you don't get any money. Okay, so before launching, it's really important to research similar campaigns. Take a close look at what worked and, what didn't. Make sure to ask for feedback from your target audience because their input is, honestly, super valuable. And try to build a small community early on, like an email list or some social media followers, to get things rolling. You need to clearly explain what you're making, why it matters, and how you'll use the funds. Also, don't forget to lay out your timeline for delivery. It's a good idea to include visuals like sketches, prototypes, product mock-ups, or even demos to help people really understand your vision. Calculate your production and shipping costs, and remember to factor in Kickstarter fees, which are about 5%, plus payment processing fees, which are around 3%. Don't forget about taxes either. Set a funding goal that covers all your costs, and make sure to add a buffer for unexpected expenses. So here's the thing. Offering backers different incentives based on how much they pledge can really boost your campaign. For $10, you might want to offer a thank you email. At $25, think about giving early access or a digital product. If someone pledges $50, maybe they get the product plus a bonus item. And for $100 or more, you can provide exclusive perks, signed versions, or even limited editions. Just remember, it's important to keep fulfillment simple and cost-effective. Did you know that campaigns with videos actually perform significantly better? Here are a few tips. Try to keep your video under 3 minutes. Be authentic and passionate. People respond to real enthusiasm. And make sure you clearly explain the problem, your solution, and of course, why people should support it. You definitely don't want to launch to silence, so plan ahead. Email your network in advance, share your campaign on social media, and consider collaborating with micro-influencers or niche bloggers. Running ads can be an option too. And don't forget to use tools like Kickbooster, Backer Kit Launch, or Hype Fury to really build up some hype. Once you're live, it's important to update your backers regularly. Make sure to respond to comments and messages too. And don't forget to share milestones like 50% funded in 3 days. Stretch goals are optional, but they can really help drive additional pledges. So, if your campaign is successful, you'll collect your funds, which usually takes about 2 weeks. Next, you'll want to survey your backers, either through Kickstarter itself or with tools like BackerKit. Then, it's time to begin production and start fulfilling those rewards. And, make sure to keep your backers updated even if there are delays along the way. Now, if your campaign isn't successful, that's okay. Take some time to learn what didn't work. You can rework your idea or maybe tweak your marketing strategy. And when you're ready, just relaunch with those improvements. All right, here are some pro tips for 2025. Try using AI tools for things like copywriting, video editing, or visuals. For example, Canva, ChatGPT, or Descript. Also, be sure to optimize your mobile experience, since a lot of backers actually pledge using their phones. And don't forget to join Kickstarter creator communities on Reddit, Discord, or Facebook to get some extra support. If you want help writing your campaign description or designing the visuals, just ask.